Have you checked out the side table selection from IKEA lately? From functional trays, tables with storage, and options for tight spaces, IKEA has truly thought of it all. Here are 10 of the very best side and end tables you can buy right now from IKEA. 1. Flatabo. You can angle the side table in different directions and adapt it to suit what you're doing, whether it's answering emails or eating popcorn and watching a movie. You can place the table by any of the sofa's corners to suit you and your home best. 2. OMTÄNKSAM. The table's scratch-resistant matte surface is easy on your eyes, the edges are soft to touch, and the legs are easy to assemble. Part of the OMTÄNKSAM collection, ergonomic products designed with care. 3. Grand Boda. The nest of tables can be used as 3 separate side tables or as one long coffee table depending on your needs. When they're nested together, the smallest table becomes a hideout for your remote controls. 4. Married. From breakfast in bed to serving party drinks, this tray table is perfect both beside your bed and in the living room. The tray is removable, making it great for serving, and the underframe is foldable. 5. Love Backen. The distinctive grain pattern in the poplar veneer gives each table a unique character. The table can be moved across the floor without worry because the plastic feet protect against scratching. 6. Kragsta. Round, soft shapes and crafted details are characteristic of Kragsta coffee and nesting tables. Sturdy construction and timeless style make them easy to match with other furniture and loved for many years. 7. Tingby. By day and by night, this table is easy to move around as your needs change. A great choice for spaces that serve several purposes such as combined living, sleeping areas, or guest working areas. 8. SVALSTA. Can be used individually or be pushed together to save space. The clean and simple lines make the table easy to combine with many furniture styles. 9. LISTERBY. You can easily keep track of your newspapers, remote controls, and other small things by storing them on the shelf under the tabletop. Ash is a natural, hard-wearing material. The surface has been made even more durable by a protective coat of lacquer, which also helps it keep its natural wood feel. 10. Nyboda. You can choose the tabletop color you want since it's reversible and has a black and a dark gray side. The tables in the Nyboda series are designed to be flexible so you can choose to use them separately or together in different combinations.